Exercise 9.3. Question 1. The bar graph given below shows the quantity of wheat purchased by government during the year 1998 to 2002. Read the bar graph and write down your observations in which year was A. The wheat production maximum, B. The wheat production minimum. So students, we will read the bar graph, and from that we have to find in which year wheat production is maximum and in which year wheat production is minimum. So students, in this bar graph, scale is given y-axis 1 unit length equals to 5000 tons. So let us see bar graph pictures. Here in the y-axis you can observe that 1 unit length equals to 5000 tons is the scale. And here in x-axis years of wheat productions are given. So first question was the wheat productions maximum year. So what is the maximum year of wheat productions? 2002. And what is the wheat productions minimum? So which year wheat production is minimum? We can see this bar graph is minimum wheat production, that is 1998 year. So from this bar graph we have observed maximum and minimum wheat production year. Let us write answer. Answer A. Since the height of the bar for 2002 is maximum, so the wheat production in 2002 is maximum. And how many tons was there? 30,000 ton was there. B. The height of the bar for 1998 is minimum. So bar height was minimum in 1998. So the wheat production in 1998 is minimum. And how many ton was there? 15,000 ton was there. So minimum 15,000 tons. Question number 2. Observe this bar graph which is showing the scale of shirts in a ready-made shop from Monday to Saturday. Now we have to observe the graph and we have to give the answer for the following questions. A. What information does the above bar graph give? So let us observe first of all bar graph. So the bar graph shows that the number of shirts sold from Monday to Saturday. So these are the days on y-axis, and on the x-axis number of shirts sold are given. So let us write answer. What information does the above bar graph give? The bar graph shows the number of shirts sold from Monday to Saturday. Next question. What is the scale chosen on the horizontal line representing number of shirts? So children, let us find answer from graph. Students, we have to find the scale, which scale is chosen on horizontal line, that is x-axis. So here we can see 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 and 65 numbers are written on x-axis. So what we can observe on the scale, that 1 unit equals to 5 shirts. 1 unit equals to 5 shirts. So we can write scale equals to, on which axis we have observed? X-axis. So x-axis. 1 unit equals to 5 shirts. Let's write this answer in answer B. So what is the scale chosen on the horizontal line representing number of shirts? So students, we will write that 1 unit length equals to 5 shirts. So this is the scale chosen on the horizontal line. On which day were the maximum number of shirts sold? How many shirts were sold on that day? So let us observe from the graph that on which day maximum number was shirts sold. So from the graph we can observe which bar is maximum Saturday and how many shirts sold on Saturday? 60. So on Saturday maximum 60 number of shirts sold. So let us write this answer. Maximum number of shirts sold on Saturday. And what is the next question? How many shirts were sold on that day? So how many shirts were sold? 60 shirts were sold on which day? Saturday. Next question is, on which day were the minimum number of shirts sold? So let us observe from the bar graph. So let us observe from the graph that on Tuesday the bar graph that is minimum. So that on Tuesday how many number of shirts were sold? 10 number of shirts. So let us write answer. Minimum number of shirts were sold on which day? On Tuesday. Next question is, how many shirts were sold on Thursday? Let us write answer from graph. So on Thursday we can see how many number of shirts sold, student? 35. How many shirts were sold on Thursday? 35 shirts were sold on Thursday. Question number 3. Observe this bar graph which shows the marks obtained by Aziz in half-yearly examinations in different subjects. Answer the given questions. A. What information does the bar graph give? Students, first of all, let us observe the bar graph given in question. Students, in this bar graph, scale is given y-axis 1 unit length equals to 10 marks. Let us observe bar graph. Students, here you can observe that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 marks are written on y-axis. Now, what is the question A? It is asked that what information does the bar graph give? Now, what information, students, this bar graph give? Here you can see on x-axis different subjects' names are given and on y-axis marks obtained are given. So, what information is obtained? Here, the bar graph shows the number of marks obtained by Aziz in half-yearly examinations. So, let us write this answer. So, the bar graph shows the number of marks obtained by Aziz in 5 different subjects. Of which exam, students? Of half-yearly exam. Of half-yearly examinations. Next question is B. Name the subjects in which Aziz scored maximum marks. Let us find this answer from graph. So students, in this bar graph, which height is maximum? Hindi. We can see in Hindi is the subjects where maximum marks are there and that is 80. So which subject he scored maximum marks? He scored in Hindi 80 marks. So students, name the subject in which Aziz scored maximum marks? Hindi. Answer is Hindi. Question number C. Name the subjects in which he has scored minimum marks. Let us find minimum bar from the bar graph. So students, from this height of the bar graph, which is the minimum bar? Social studies subjects. Here you can see, students, Social study is the subjects where there is minimum height of the bar, and that is how many? 40. So he scored minimum marks in social studies subjects. So let us write this answer. It is given, name the subject in which he has scored minimum marks. So we will write the answer, social studies. Question number D. State the name of the subjects and marks obtained in each of them. So students, let us write name of the subject and marks obtained in each subject. Let us find from the bar graph first of all. So first of all students, Hindi is the subject where how many marks he got? 80. Then in English how many marks he got? 60. Then in mathematics how many marks he got? 70. Then in science how many marks he got? 50. And in social studies 40. Let us write this answer in our questions. Marks obtained in each subject. Hindi 80 marks. Then English 60 marks. Then which subject? Mathematics. So mathematics how many marks he scored? 70. So we will write 70 marks. Then which subject? Science. Science how many marks he scored? 50. So we will write 50 marks. Then social studies. Social studies how many marks he scored? 40. So we will write 40 marks.